was with SPX. We're going to open just under this 69. We're going to be outside the bot finder. We're going to be outside the trend definition. So if we don't try to bounce and reclaim this right out the gate, I'm going to be watching this area to get short again. So the 3090 area, 4100. That looks really good for a short. I might pull the trigger on the short here. We're not quite up into 90, but we couldn't even get up to test that 5. All we're doing is joining the trend where we ended this thing. So I'm gonna pick up short, man, right here. I'm in. I got me some short. See if we bounce up into the gap close there. I'm gonna add some. I'm gonna take some profits at the bottom of this opening range. Well, there we go. Hi, mother trucker. Let's go. I got a sell order setting off. I just get one more dump. There it is.
Order filled.
I probably could have hung on to that and not sold there, but anyway, I got a couple of bucks out of that one. So that puts me in a really good spot here on the short side here. I still hung on to some here. So there we go. I'm hanging on to these leftovers and I, just try to ride these babies all. I'm going to put my profit stop in place. So if we bounce, I'll get about a buck out of the last ones. So it's a win no matter what. I'm just sitting on my hands for a minute now. That was 2 good trades right in a row there, a couple of bucks each, and that's it. I'm getting short. I got my short on right there. I'm gonna take another crack at this short right over that 15-minute 1, 2, 3, right into the volume. We're so close to 40.90. Ooh, there it goes, baby. Come on, take profits in the opening range, and then taking profits, get a couple of bucks out of them. Come on now, short. Let's get down there. I'm gonna take some profits into 80.
Order filled.
Hey, there we go. Got paid there. Nice, man. I still got runners on here, and then I'm going to get some more if I can get a good setup here. We broke that opening range. Get me to 68 in this 5-minute candle. Now I'm going to take some more off. There we go. Or take one off and leave one runner. Last minute of this candle, paying myself there. And then profit stop in this last one. But the 68 was my target, and we hit it. Man, that made my day.